Hello everyone. Today we will understand one important feature on GeM, buyer seller IP address check. On GeM, IP address is captured to check whether the buyer and seller are using same IP address or same network. This helps in identifying possible collusion and improves transparency in bidding. Buyer IP address is captured during two stages. One is during bid creation, second is when he is opening technical bid. Seller IP address is captured during two stages again when he is submitting bid. One is technical bid, another is financial offer. What happens when during technical evaluation buyer can click on this view IP address and view IP address tab will be there and buyer can click then GeM will show buyer IP address and seller IP details. If there is a any matching thing, then it will show like this. If buyer and seller IP is matching, it will show in through color coding, so it will show orange color if buyer and seller IP is matching. If two sellers IP is matching itself, then it will show uh, uh, red color indicates possible collusion among participating sellers. So please remember that IP address matching is a warning signal and it may show possible collusion. Then buyer should carefully evaluate the facts and record the reasonings and take the careful decision in proceeding further when this type of color coding is shown to him. So it is being captured at every stage, and buyer and seller should be careful and take note of these captures in the GeM portal. One important thing is that when buyer wants to proceed further, so they have to given the undertaking that they have taken note of above IP addresses and would like to proceed at the next stage of bidding process. Another thing I want to tell that these reports are often submitted to primary user of in buyer department also, where buyer and seller IP common IP address is same. So these reports are being generated by GeM portal and being sent to the primary user. Thank you very much.